Good morning, folks. You got Ron here again on the snap string. Gonna start my morning with some coffee, and I'll mix some of this in with that. But yeah, we got a busy day here, but we'll get into that later. Right now, it's coffee time. Now all we got to do is wait. I gotta be careful not getting too much. I gotta get the flavor in there, but at the same time, this powder is caffeine, and that's caffeine. So you don't want to get too much of it. I mean, I know you got to have some, but guys, I'm down here at the glass plant here in Zanesville. I already done got the trailer cleaned out where I picked it up at, where I was making the coffee at. There was a drop yard there. I had a load going to Pittston, Pennsylvania, dropped off there. I picked that up yesterday, and then I had to go off duty on the way there. And this morning, I had to take every route in the book getting here because of flooded area on I-70. The whole interstate. I'd have figured a back road to be shut down before the interstate, but let me go back and check this other side. Yeah, I got that trailer cleaned out this morning while I was making the coffee. Hey, kill a couple birds with one stone, right? Looks good. Good for government work. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, everything's all flooded out. Hopefully, well, when I load the information in for the GPS, I'm gonna try to account for flooding, and maybe it'll just reroute me automatically. Flies. But anyhow, I will update you on the way there. See you a bit. Yeah, it started.
For about 20 miles, continue straight.
They rerouted us because of the flood damage off of the interstate. I'm hoping I-70 is all that I got to deal with this on. Yeah, at least I'm off the interstate, and I imagine there's a lot of guys that's not even running this route because of the flood. But anywho, yes sir. See you in a bit. I'm not sure what in the world is the hold up here, but this ain't the first one I back up I come to. Man. And I gotta be to Lynchburg at 4 in the morning. 4 or 5 in the morning. I don't know. I only got 5 hours to run today. See? I don't know what is happening. Hurry up and wait. I don't know about the hurry up part either. Alright. Excuse the music. I can't let this clip go too long because of the music. But this is what we're dealing with here. Hey y'all, I'm finishing it up now. I'm on the last leg. Well, actually, I'm on a different load than I started out on. That load going to Lynchburg out of Ohio. I ended up swapping that out with another driver. He had a load coming down here to not Bowling Green, Franklin, and I'm finishing that load up now. quite a trip. When I was there in Ohio, there was a lot of flood damage. So my GPS kept on rerouting me off of the interstate, which the interstate was closed in those places. So I mean, you had every right to do it. But anywho, I got down I went off duty up in Ohio. I did a split sleeper, sorry about that. A split sleeper, and while I was on that, I got contacted and said, hey, we're swapping you out there in Pendleton, Kentucky. And they wanted a time when I could be there and stuff. And if I could even do it. I said, well, I had like a little over 3 hours left, which was a little bit, maybe a half hour more than I needed. Or I counted it as a half hour, more like 40-some minutes. But you never know. But anyway, I went down there, swapped loads with another driver. Now I'm finishing that up. And then I'm going to go down and grab a load, take it to New Jersey, and we'll see if we take you along on that one. I might go ahead and do it because I got till Monday to get there, and it's Saturday now. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I got probably less than 6 miles left now. So I'll be getting back with you. That's all we got here for now on the Snap String. Remember, make things around you brighter. Because this whole world's going to take care of itself as long as you do good around you. Love y'all. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.